What's up, my little monster? Today I'm gonna teach you some Alex Turbo technique, and he threw up a challenge, and the challenge is like
voice challenge.
First thing, you're gonna use your false chords, basically this thing that we call the Mongolian singing, or Karjira. It is basically your false chord doing it, but the thing is, you're going to put your larynx down, so your voice should be like that. But first you find out the note in the Karjira, and then go down for your larynx. And another thing that is very important, I'm using my soft palato all the time, and also I'm using the E vowel, not E. This is not the right resonance. It's not in the front of your mouth, it is in the back of your soft palato. And then you're gonna put your tongue a little bit in the front, and also you're gonna use this resonance here in the nose. It's like a so that's the temper, that's the feeling. All these things together, put one by one and through your pressure, and be careful of how you are throwing out your air. We have two ways to throw air: the cold air and the warm air. The warm air is basically when we are doing some whispering thing, hey, ho, ho, and some folks do these growls with this warm air, hey, ho, ho. This is why you can prolong too much, because your vocal folds are open and the air flow very fast. It's over. But when we go for the cold air, it's basically when you are talking for someone in a long distance. Hey, oh, oh. You see that I'm holding my voice. Hey, oh, oh. Oh, oh. You see that I can prolong this technique for a long time. And this is one of those things that I'm talking in this video, because Alex Turbo is a natural screamer. He taught himself about scream. That's why he find out this position, this that he's very unique, but also in vocal techniques have some problems. And one of those, it is why he threw up a lot of volume. He's spending a lot of energy and losing his melodic voice. I'm not talking by myself this shit. Alex Turbo did this 2 times in 2 interviews talking about this shit. And this is not a small issue. There's a video that I can talk about. And it's very important you to see this video, because you want to scream like him, but you need to be sure that you don't fucked up your voice. That's my mission here. That's why I have free courses here to teach you how to use your voice in a healthy way, to not fuck up your career and your band career and all the things. You can check it out, this shit. So basically try to prolong one scream with that, but think about that you are calm. That's crazy to say that, but you are calm. Because more calm you are, more lower keys you will get. If you want to put a high note in there, you put a little bit of this yay, 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 with this suffering note. So you can play a lot with this. As a good friend, I am warning this guy. Man, I want to be your friend. I want to help you. I'm not that friend that give you a hug and put a knife in your back. I'm not this guy. I'm not this guy. Okay? But if he don't like it, we can see in the rings. You know that? I hope you like it. Anything you need, I can help you with some classes. Keep in touch. Let your comments here, give me a like, and subscribe for my free course. It's gonna help you a lot. See you soon, buddy. See ya.